Hello and welcome to Bonaire. The island is known for its calm and relaxed atmosphere. On the shoreline it is possible to scuba dive individually and independently. We start discovering the southern part of the island. The waters are characterized by a sandy bottom. Beside a wreck, a lot of stuff can be explored below the salt pier. After the southernmost point at the lighthouse, we take our route to the northern side. In contrast to the south, the north is characterized by a hilly landscape. This picture can also be seen underwater in an area surrounded by a rocky underground. The underwater world is just as rich with different sea creatures. In the capital, there are various possibilities to scuba dive directly and easily from the waterfront of the city. We end our scuba diving with some shots from a night dive, including some active tarpons.